Hey everybody, my name is Kristina Motley and I'm an environmental specialist with Maryland Environmental Service here at Paul S. Sarbanes Ecosystem Restoration Project at Poplar Island, or as we simply like to refer to it as, Poplar Island. It's been a busy time here on Poplar Island. Not only has the construction work continued throughout the seasons, keeping Poplar Island's workers busy, but we found that the animals were keeping busy too. Here are some of the new additions we were able to see and capture on film.